Namaste students. Today's concept is computational thinking for grade 3, chapter 2, toy, joy. Question 1. Which of the following options represents the top view of the object given below? As you see the given image, the arrow is pointing to represent the top view. As you see, there is a rectangle and a square here. So obviously the other rectangle also will have a impact like a square itself. So we have a rectangle and two squares. One of the rectangle is shaded gray, the other square with black. Obviously, the third shape will be white in color. So option A is not the image we are looking for, or not even the B, as there is no white. And why not A? Because the rectangle is in black in color. As we see in our image, it is gray in color. So rectangle need to be gray in color. So either B or D. The rectangle is in gray, so I go with B or D. And now the next option is like one of it is black in color. I mean the small square is black in color. As you see, we have the same in B as well as in D. And the next shape is white in color, so we eliminate B. The right answer is option D. Great. Moving on to the next question. Count the number of surfaces, that is faces, in the given solid. Okay, as you all know, whenever an object, 3D object is given, we have front portion. Obviously, there will be a back portion, left and right, top and bottom. So here I have one face from left, one face from top, and one face behind the back, so three, and one face the front, fourth, and bottom is my fifth. But from right side, it's not a single surface. We have here one. Let me count this as six, this portion as seven, and here this as eight. So there are totally eight faces in the given figure. I mean to say solid. Great. Let's move on to the next question. The given shapes are to be placed in the buckets. Shapes with a number of edges greater than 5 are kept in yellow bucket. Great. While the others are kept in white bucket. Out of these shapes in yellow, how many have exactly 6 edges? Even though the question is too lengthy, what they are looking for is the shapes with exactly 6 edges. So edges, as you know, sides or straight lines. So let me go here with star 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is not the shape we are looking for. In that case, I eliminate this because triangle, this is a quadrilateral, a circle, a pentagon. Let's check the number of sides in this shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have one shape which has to be placed in yellow, and this is a 3D shape. So obviously it will be more than 6 edges. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, isn't it? And not this. We'll eliminate this, this, and this is actually a four-sided. Yes, let us count the edges of this shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's more than 6, so we'll eliminate this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have the second object or the image. Then this is 4, obviously not. This is 4. Then here we'll count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 3 shapes which have more than 6 edges. Great. Moving on to the next question. Given below is a large box consisting of 4 smaller transparent boxes with some sides colored. Which of the boxes shown in the option is not a part of the larger box, not the part. Okay, let us go with A. As you see, right side is shaded and back side is shaded. Is there any image here? Yes. I go with the fourth small square where it is, it has two sides shaded. One is the right and the back side is shaded. So option A is not my answer. Option B, as you see, the very next cube, the left portion is shaded and the bottom portion is shaded. So it is not B. Let's check with C. In the C, left is shaded, back is shaded, and the top is also shaded. So actually, I don't see such image here. This is backside is shaded and left is shaded, but not the top. In that case, I go with option C, which is not matching with the larger box. Great. And here our next question. If there is a dot on each corner of the cubes below, then how many dots are hidden? As you see, we have two cubes and each cube will have obviously 8 corners. That's 8 edges. I mean vertices, sorry. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each cube will have 8 corners. And we have two cubes. Obviously, there will be 16 corners. And let's see how many corners are visible to our eyes. In that case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 corners are visible where there is 4 corners hidden in the given image. So I go with option B. Great. Thank you, students. We'll meet in the next session with next set of questions.